Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door looks fine. I do not see any dents or scratches. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Alright, the back bumper is in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches or dents back here at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger door. This door looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on the door at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear on this door panel at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks really good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. And everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.